Diabetes is a chronic health condition in which your body struggles to regulate the amount of sugar in your blood. Your digestive system breaks down most of the food you eat into sugar, or glucose, and releases it into your bloodstream. When blood sugar goes up, it signals the pancreas to release a hormone called insulin. Insulin is the key that allows sugar into your cells and removes it from the bloodstream. With diabetes, your body develops some degree of resistance against insulin. This is a situation in which cells in your muscles, fat, and liver don't respond well to insulin and can't easily take up glucose from the blood. This leads to high blood sugar, also known as hyperglycemia. Over a long period, these sugars weaken your blood vessels, which causes damage to your internal organs like the brain, heart, kidneys, eyes, and arteries. Diabetes is one of the most common causes of death worldwide. Around 37 million Americans have diabetes, about 1 in every 10 people. Therefore, it is worth keeping an eye out for early warning signs of diabetes. And that is exactly what we are going to discuss. Number 1. Frequent urination. When you have excess glucose in your blood, your kidneys have to work overtime to filter and absorb the extra glucose during filtration. When the kidneys can't keep up, the excess blood sugar is passed into the bladder, so your body can excrete it as urine. The need to urinate more frequently than usual is a warning sign of diabetes. Number 2. Increased thirst. In an attempt to flush out the excess sugar from the bladder, the body diverts water into the urine. This leaves the body with insufficient water to perform the many functions that water facilitates, resulting in dehydration. If people are unaware that they have high blood sugar levels and try to quench their thirst with juice, soda, or other sugary beverages, they may exacerbate their condition. The sugar in these drinks further increases the blood sugar level, resulting in more urination without hydration to replace the lost fluids. Number 3. Tingling and numbness in the hands and feet. If you are feeling burning, stabbing, tingling, or shooting pain in your hands and feet, then you are likely suffering from neuropathy. A high blood sugar level can damage your nerves. High blood sugar levels can also damage the small blood vessels that nourish your nerves with nutrients and oxygen. If the condition advances, diabetic neuropathy may lead to foot ulcers and require foot amputation in extreme cases. Number 4. Feeling tired all the time. Another warning sign of high blood sugar level is feeling tired all the time. When glucose does not reach the cells due to a lack of insulin or insulin resistance, the cells are not getting the fuel they need to function. The fatigue may be accompanied by headaches, irritability, trouble concentrating, slow reflexes, and loss of motivation. Number 5. Blurred vision. As a result of insulin resistance, you may begin to develop blurred vision. This happens because your cells are no longer accepting glucose or insulin properly, causing the lens of your eyes to swell with fluid. High blood sugar also ruptures capillaries and small blood vessels in the eyes. This distorts the shape of the eye lens and makes it impossible or difficult to focus properly. This results in blurred vision even if the patients wear glasses or contact lenses. Number 6. Skin tags. Skin tags are soft, skin-colored growths that hang from the skin. Multiple skin tags may indicate that you have too much insulin in your blood. High levels of insulin cause the skin cells to reproduce rapidly. As a result, skin tags appear on the skin. These growths are most common on the eyelids, the underarms, the neck, under the breasts, and the groin folds. Number 7. Increase hunger. When our digestive system breaks our food down into glucose, it gets into the bloodstream, and this sugar is used by our cells as fuel. If the person is insulin resistant, the glucose is trapped in the bloodstream and never makes it to the cells. Regardless of how recently the patient ate, the cells feel deprived of energy. As a result, the cells trigger the brain to crave more food. Remember, this video is for educational purposes. We are not giving you medical advice. You should always consult your doctor if you need any professional opinion. Do you find this video helpful? If yes, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification button.